Grand Rising family, how y'all doing this morning? I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where all we do is everything we talk about is crypto. This is crypto all day, 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, family. Listen, family, if you're not subscribed to the channel, won't you hit that subscribe button? You see that notification bell over there? Won't you hit that notification bell so whenever I go live or drop a video, you will get notified, family. Also, hit the like button, family. For those that's watching on Facebook, look, family, hey, click the link in the description and go to the YouTube page and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube page so you can continue getting this information, family, because we are in the midst of a bull run / bull market for this crypto market, family, and we need to be able to take advantage of this, right? So with that being said, family, we're gonna jump right in. We got a lot of news going on, so I'm here to bring y'all the news to let y'all know what's going on in the crypto world, family, right? So off gate, we're gonna start off with Spain's second largest bank will soon launch crypto services, right? So this is Spain's second largest bank, BBVA, and it will soon launch crypto service, family. So you have these banks all around the world that's falling like dominoes, family. They're falling like dominoes, and they're getting involved in this crypto space because they understand that this is the future, family. So they're falling like dominoes left and right. You're seeing more and more articles of different banks or different hedge fund managers or different people in different areas that 3-4 years ago was talking bad about the crypto space, and now they dropping like flies. Look at this, Spain's second largest bank, right? If you're not looking, if you look at BBVA, the second largest bank in Spain with about 840 billion in assets, is posed to enter the cryptocurrency trading and custody space, according to two people familiar with the plans, right? The Spanish bank will begin its crypto offering out of Switzerland, said a source. Switzerland has relatively comprehensive rules around digital assets set out by the country's Financial Market Supervisory Authority, right? So here it is, where they about to join and get involved, family. So you got these big banks that's getting, literally, times have changed, right? BBVA is no stranger to crypto innovation. It was among the first financial institutions to combine public and private blockchains in a live transaction back in 2018. But this latest bullish move on the part of the bank shows how far the market has evolved. Family, everybody is seeing the writing on the wall with what's going on with this market. This is the future. This is the market of the future. Either the stock market is going to add crypto, which they are, or you're going to have these crypto exchanges that's going to start adding stocks, because this is where we're headed, family. They're going to have to implement it, right? So let's keep moving, right? But family, we can't let these banks and stuff get involved, and we're not getting involved, family. Also, if you want to take my advanced crypto class, listen, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Again, it's maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Shoot me an email and I'll shoot you the information so you can get started. It's a $99 fee and you can get started and we can start making this money, family, because all my students are loving the class so far and they're getting paid. And we ain't had the class running no more than a good 7 or 8 days. And they're already making money, right? So let's go to the next article. Here it is, Apple co-founder. So now we got Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak's crypto token takes off, but you can't buy it in the US. Now, he launched a crypto that is a energy efficient market, right? Wherein, I'm gonna read the article. I'm gonna read some of it anyway, right? Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak is going crypto, right? They said on Friday, Wozniak launched his new company, eForce, a blockchain-based energy efficient market for crowdfunded, eco-friendly business projects. He said, we create eForce to be the first decentralized platform to allow everyone to participate and benefit financially from worldwide energy efficient projects and create meaningful environmental change. Wozniak, who is the co-founder but not CEO of eForce, said in a press release, right? It says that the launch came with the listing of a digital token, WOZ, and eForce says investors drove the token to 950 million market cap in the first 13 minutes of its listing. The company had already raised 800 million funding from private investors before its token sale. So the token sale just launched, and investors drove the token to $950 million market cap in the first 13 minutes. So a lot of people invested in this coin. Now, the thing is, if you want to invest or get into the coin, you have to go to HBTC. That is the crypto exchange that the coin is on, right? It said for now you can only buy the WOZ token on Singapore-based crypto exchange HBTC, right? Now, to buy on that exchange, you either have to use USDT stablecoin or Tether. Well, you must buy the stablecoin Tether, and then you can buy the WOZ with your Tether, right? So what you would have to do, you would have to, if you're in the United States, and you want to get some, what you would have to do is this. You would have to send your Tether to your HBTC wallet, and then you can buy it. That's basically what you would have to do. You got to send your Tether, sign up with HBTC, sign your account, get your account set up, send your crypto to that wallet. You have to send your Tether to that wallet, and then use your Tether to buy the coin. The problem is you can't take that coin off that wallet and get it in your possession. It's gonna have to stay on that exchange. That's the only problem. But it says WOZ will also get listed soon on BitHub. That's a Korean-based crypto exchange, right? So, but this is what's going on. But you have Apple Apple co-founder that's now deciding that he wants his own crypto. This is good news, family. This is more of mainstream, high-tech people with a lot of money, big businessmen, crafty people that is understanding this market and getting involved. They're getting involved with this market, family. They get involved. So what we need to do is make sure that we are involved also. Don't let this is a free market, family. This market is open to everyone right now. Take advantage. All right, let's keep going. All right. So Joe Biden administration will ultimately support crypto. This is from Circle CEO, right? Now, this is good news if it's true. If it's true, this is going to be some of the best news that we can get with that 4 years of Biden in office. If this is true, this will make the price, because that mean if they're going to support it, this means that the price will skyrocket. It says Jeremy Allaire, CEO and co-founder of US-based major crypto company Circle, claims that crypto is misunderstood in Washington, D.C., but he offered an optimistic take on how the incoming Joe Biden administration might treat crypto assets. I think that they will ultimately be supportive because this is an infrastructure change as big as the initial commercial internet, and they're going to be focused on infrastructure changes that makes America more competitive. And this is absolutely going to be a core building block in that, the CEO said during an interview with CNBC. So he's saying that because it's so big and America, you know, basically is competing with the other world, and, you know, this will give us a competitive edge, because right now these other countries, they have a competitive edge over the United States as far as these exchanges and some of the coins that you are not allowed to get. In states like New York, you can't even use certain exchanges, right? So you have a lot of limitations in the United States, but overseas, they wide open with this crypto. So like we need an administration that's going to be more friendlier and more open to crypto exchanges, the ones that's here staying here, and also getting some of them old ones that left to come back, because a lot of business have went overseas, and those of us that's into crypto, we are losing out on the opportunity to get certain coins because they are overseas, family, right? So we're gonna keep moving. Block stack tokens conversion to non-securities will be unprecedented, right? So you have Blockstack, that's a token, and they're trying to get their token converged to being a non-security. And they're saying that will be unprecedented, right? Because right now, most of the cryptos are classified as securities. It says after the launch of Stacks Blockchain 2.0, Stacks token will no longer be treated as a security in the US. This is huge. Finally opening doors to US investors, said the company's co-founder, with an expert calling this a major deal for the cryptoverse, as the regulator would have finally given one clear answer. It says, if true, this is amazing. Unprecedented, said Marco Santora, chief legal officer, a major crypto exchange Kraken. They saying that, but if this is true, this would be history in the making. And it says this would be real, this would be good news, because other cryptos will follow suit, right? But it says this means Blockstack will no longer be required to submit regular financial reports as a company, and its Stacks token can be traded by US investors on US digital asset exchanges, said the article. So this is this will be a pathway for other cryptos to get allowed on the exchanges that's in the United States. So this will be a good move, and I will be looking into STX. I already want to get some anyway. It's a good crypto, right? So we're gonna keep it moving, right? So Bitcoin eyes huge move in the next 48 hours. So right now, you know, a lot of people waking up this morning, and you know, Bitcoin basically been moving sideways for the last couple of days. It's been moving around the $18,800 to around 19,300, 19,400. That's been the range that Bitcoin been in. It's basically been moving sideways. And as y'all been seeing, I've been drawing my charts, and with my charts, you see I got like a flag that Bitcoin is moving in. And what I said is, once we get to the end of that flag, either Bitcoin gonna go up or Bitcoin gonna go down. It's one or the other. Either we're gonna go up and test all-time high, or we're gonna go down. Probably the I don't know. I had to put a chart. I'm gonna put a chart to say, but 18,600 has been our support line so far. But I think that if either we go up or either we may go down to 1,800, maybe even get down to 18,000, or a little bit to around 17,500, because everybody know that they're expecting Bitcoin to have a consolidation. It's gonna have to reconsolidate. It's gonna take about a 30% drop, and then start working its way back up. So, you know, as Bitcoin drops, the price of all the altcoins are dropping too. But you have some altcoins that are rising while Bitcoin is dropping. I've been showing y'all a couple. Today I may show you one more that is still, while Bitcoin is going down, it's going up, because that means this crypto is doing real good, right? So it says Bitcoin has huge move in the next 48 hours. BTC price analyst. Now, anybody that's in my class that's taking this advanced crypto class, they're already getting these alerts. I sent alerts out yesterday about certain things, and I know if they took my advice and done what I told them to do yesterday, they waking up this morning looking at this market and they glad that they done it. I told them yesterday. I sent alerts out to all my students that's in the class. We're not students because we're partners, because we're all learning. Even I'm learning from them. You know what I'm saying? Just because I may know a little bit more about something don't mean that they can't school me on some things that I don't know. So we're learning together. So I don't want to say my students. I'm going to just say my partners. When I sent a mass text out to all my partners yesterday, and certain moves I told them to make. If they made them moves, I know this morning when they waking up, they like, man, I'm glad I done that. Because the price done dropped. I know that happened, man. You know what I'm saying? But it says Bitcoin has had a slow start to the week so far, with volatility and trader volume falling to uncharacteristically low levels given its recent parabolic performance, right? So basically, this article is talking about the price levels that we need to watch for the short term. This is the bullish breakdown targets. One, if we get to $19,550, then the next one would be $19,920, then followed by $20,353. Then would be our bullish targets. And this right here is what they said would be our bearish targets. 18,600. Remember I told y'all 18,600, that's been our support line. Every time we got down 18,600, we came back up. So far, that's been our support line. So if we go under that support line, then this is what they say, 18,270. Then the next one is 17,810. I'll pull up my chart, depending on how much time, I'll pull it up and tell you what I see. This is what they say they see. But the 18,600 is real. Everybody knows that. But this is what they saying, right? So we're gonna keep it moving. All right, now on a little bit of good news. This is some good news, family. I hate when these things pop. There we go. This is some good news right here. All right, Bittrex Global. Now, in the United States, we can only use Bittrex. We can't use Bittrex Global. Bitcoin getting close to that support line, 18,600. It's getting close to it right now. Wow, that's interesting. We're gonna get to the chart soon, family. But Bittrex Global becomes the second crypto exchange to launch 24/7 tokenized stock trading. You see this? So now Bittrex Global is gonna allow you to be able to buy regular stocks such as Tesla, Apple, Google, right? You can either use US dollars, USDT, which is Tether, or Bitcoin, right? So this is the second crypto exchange that's starting to allow you to buy stocks on their exchange. And remember earlier I was telling y'all that a lot of the stock markets are allowing you to buy crypto, starting to integrate crypto in. Now you have these crypto exchanges starting to allow you to buy stocks. Now, if anybody been following me, I've been telling y'all where this is headed, and you see it happening. It's going exactly the way I said it's going to go, right? You see this happening right now, right? So this is great news. The problem in us in the United States is that we got to use the traditional, but Bittrex Global is allowing it. Also, Bittrex Global is where you can get the Acon. You can get Acon coin on Bittrex Global. We can't get it, but I deal with Bittrex, but we can't use Bittrex Global, man. And this is why I hope that this administration is more friendlier to the crypto space, so they can, because we missing out over here in America. They basically are centralizing or telling us which cryptos we are able to buy, which altcoins, and how they are doing that is by certain exchanges. These exchanges here in the United States are basically telling us where you can only use these exchanges, and these exchanges only have a certain amount of altcoins up there. So a lot of times you go to some of these exchanges, the altcoin you want, you can't get, you know. But if you join my class, there's other means, other ways to get what you want now. Believe and trust that. It is. There's always another way, especially in the crypto world. All right, so we're gonna get to the chart real fast because let's get to some. Let me refresh this coin market cap family. We're gonna look at something real fast. Look at the price. Oh, Bitcoin is down 2.23% today. I think we might have hit that resistance. I think we might have hit it, the 18.6. I think we might have hit it. So we're in some uncharted territory. Bitcoin at 18,000, Ethereum 578, XRP at 59 cents, Litecoin at $80, Bitcoin Cash 275, Chainlink 1265, Cardano at 14, Polkadot 481. Polkadot got some good news coming out, so they got some good news coming. Stellar down to 15 cents. Stellar down to 15 cents. All right, so let's see what's going up today. Let's see what's going up. Filecoin, well, that ain't too much of a move. Let's see what's. You got Compound. While everything going down, Compound is rising. It's at $157.69. See what else we got. That's stable coin. Here we go. NEXO again. I've been beating y'all in the head with NEXO. NEXO rising. It's up 4.65%. While everything is in the red, that's good when you got stuff that's still going up while everything else is going down. Block Shack is up 13.48%. Band Protocol up 2.78%. So, you know, let me get you a chart, man. We getting close, y'all. Let me pull up this chart. Let me see what's going on, man. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Where we at, trading? Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin right now. See what's going on. Let's see where we's at. Uh-oh. Let me see. Uh-oh, see? We touched it. This that resistance right here. Well, that's my moving average. The 290 moving average. Come on, get up. Let me get right. Let me get right. Work with me, baby. All right, there we go. All right. See, we didn't quite touch it. Did we get there? Yes, we did. We got there. 18,600, right on time. This is my moving average right here. This is our support line right here, family. Right? So, man, we broke out of this. We went, hey, RSI. Hey, this is a critical stage right now, family. We're in a critical stage right now. Where you short-term investors or people that's new into the space, if you're a day trader, we don't want Bitcoin to go under this. We don't want Bitcoin to touch. We don't want to go under that, family. This would be our next. I don't even want to draw it. I don't even want to put it up here. I'm not even putting it up here. But this right here basically would be the next $18,088. That basically would be our next support line. I don't even want to put it up here. I'm not even putting it up there. Let me see. Look at this 5-minute chart. All right, it's the 5-minute chart. Yeah, what we get to 18,612. All right, we broke. Wow, this is a bearish cross. No, hold on. Oh no, it didn't cross. Oh, this was a bullish. This was a bearish cross here on a 5-minute, and we dipped. Once we had the bearish cross, we dipped. It looked like we was trying to have a bullish cross here, but we didn't sustain it. It was trying to do a bullish cross, but it didn't do it because we got a red candle that would have looked like it was going to take us back up. As we dipped, we consolidated, and it looked like we was about to take this bullish cross to go back up, but it didn't cross here, and it dipped some more, family. Now, let me show y'all. See if I can show y'all the last time we got here. What happened? All right, around the last time we got here was here. This was around the 4th. We hit it, and we went back up. We took off. This, you can see how the candles look. We had a red one, another red one, but it went up, then a blue one. So this time, oh no, family. We had a make and break point. I'm gonna just tell y'all, this is what it is, family. All right, everything looking blue, so that's a good sign on the 5-minute chart. And we're gonna check out the 1-minute chart. And, let's see how the 1-minute look. Hey, let's see. You see this red and this blue we need the blue to go over the red line, family. Cause this would put us back in a bullish. This would be a bullish cross. That means the price is starting to go back up. We need this to cross, family. So I mean, yeah, we kind of like responded. It hit that resistance and bounced. So, usually the market do pick up a little bit in the morning. So we'll see. It looked like once you get here, look like we're about to do a bullish cross. You can see we'll see it for another minute, and we'll see what happens. What time is it? It's okay. Yeah, so we'll see. We're gonna sit here and see how we look in one. We're gonna see how we look in 1 minute. It's 30 seconds. So we're gonna count down. We're gonna see if this, what we're trying to see, family, is if this blue right here get closer to the red to cross. But this would mean, we had got under the RSI, and now we back up in here. So we're gonna see. We need this to cross. We need to see if we're gonna get closer or how it's gonna look. This is for you day traders. This is how you look at this chart and read it. We're getting closer, see, we moved up. You see that? You see? We're almost there. So we'll look at another minute. Another minute gonna let us know. If we cross, we're going into a bullish cross. So that means that it's a good sign. I don't know, we dip right here. What we doing? 1730. We still moving up, 1736. To be honest, family, Bitcoin has a lot of resistance and support right now. It's a lot of people is talking about it. You have a lot of investors that's investing money in it. And so, you have these little minor pullbacks, but tomorrow, the dip again. We're gonna see 8, 7. We're gonna see, do we cross? It got back up. We got back to where we was at. We need to go up. We went down. So it might not cross, family. It crossed though. Okay, so now on the 1 minute chart, we're bullish. We're about to be bullish. You see, it's turning blue. We done made that bullish cross. So we need to get back up here over this range. We need to move. We need to get over 18,000. We need to get over this. We need to get over this. So 1875. You see how this works? Y'all just check it out. You're learning a lot. If you just sit here, you're gonna learn a little bit about the chart today. Yeah, we're moving. You see that? You see that candle? Let's see how the candle end. Look at the 18 second. We're moving, family. But let's see if we can get a little separation between the red and the blue. Right? There go that separation. We're getting that separation, family. So we're starting to get back bullish. Bullish. You want to get a little bit more separation. There go a red one. See, this stuff run you crazy, family. If especially if you day trading and trying to day trade, you lose your mind. But you see, we're looking good. So we'll look at this for another minute. See if we get a little more separation. If we get to 18,800, it look like that's where we're trying to get to. 18,800. Y'all getting an on time, on spot, current event right now. Y'all getting this right now, looking at it in real time. See if we get to 18,000. No, don't look like we're gonna get there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We almost got there, but we got a little bit of separation, right? So that's how we're looking. Look, let's switch another. Let's get to the 5 minute chart. Go to the 5 minutes, see how the 5 minute looking. See if we get a bearish cross yet. Oh, look, even in the 5 minute. No, we didn't cross, see? Okay. We still ain't got to this bearish cross on the 5 minute. And don't look like we're gonna get here until we cross. We gotta get over, we basically gotta get to the 18,800 mark, I think. For us to get this bullish diversion. We want this to cross, but it's still rebounding good, on the 5 minute because all the candles are blue. So it's looking good. We need to get over 18,800. We'll see how we do, family. But that's that. But even if it do go down, it's still looking good because once it go down under 18,600 and get to like 1,800, like it may drop again to 17.5. That might be your last time to get in before it really go up because it's gonna go. It's gonna rebound and it's gonna go, right? And this shows maturity in this market because the last bull run it didn't do this. The last bull run it didn't move like this, So this is showing a lot of maturity and also it's a lot of investors that's involved in this, right? So with that being said, family, listen, y'all, hey, subscribe to NCRBGZ. I mean, I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all subscribe to my YouTube page. It's called Bittrex. That's my YouTube page. I have a class that I teach, and it's called my advanced crypto class. And the advanced crypto class is $99. Another thing you have to do is at email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. Only thing I do is email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. You email me and I can get you signed up. I can get you signed up in the class because you want to get in that advanced crypto class, family. It's a $99 fee. Once you email me, what I do is I'm gonna email you back, send you the information, send you how you can pay your $99, right? Once you pay the $99, you will be set up, right, to get, you'll be set up. So let me share my screen one last time. We're gonna get off here. Share screen, here we go. This right here, just email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com. It's a $99 fee. The class is a 6 to 8 week class. You will receive a video a week with things that you're not going to get on Facebook from me or YouTube. Also, I will be giving you daily updates to send out daily or weekly notifications on things that I see in the market, the things that positions that we should take or things that we should sell, right? To prepare ourselves, because at the end of the day, we're trying to maximize our profit. There's no love with none of these cryptos at the end of the day. It's all about maximizing your profit. And also, you know, being prepared for the future, right, family? So with that being said, I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all like the video, man. Thumb up and subscribe to the page. Peace, family.